To begin using the Shopify manual bypass, we're going to go ahead and go to the Shopify site of choice. In this case, it'll be for YeezySupply.com. Once here, we're going to go and find an in-stock product. Doesn't matter, you can use a jacket, cardigan. For this example, I'll end up using these shoes. You're just going to select any size option, and you're going to go ahead and hit purchase. From there, you'll click checkout, and right now it's going to throw you in a queue. Most of the time, you'll want to set this up beforehand so that you can avoid this. This is the whole purpose of this guide, is to avoid this thing. So I'm just going to cut to when I finally reach the end of the queue. Okay, so now that I'm through queue, all you'd want to do is simply bookmark this page and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it bypass and hit done. You'll go here for Chrome, show your bookmarks bar. This just makes it easier. So now we're going to go back to YeezySupply.com. And now if you notice, we've got this. But if I hit checkout, it's going to throw me into this. So let's just go to here. Let's grab this coat because this coat looks nice. And once it loads. Okay, I guess we're not grabbing the coat. Let's do the pants. Cool, we want a size large. There you go. So basically, you would add so you have the like dummy product already in the cart. You add the real product that you want, so the actual Yeezy shoe, the 350, and you just add it to cart, the 350, remove the boot, and click your bypass link. And now we have our pants. We don't have that women's shoe, and all we have to do is type in our address. You'll hit this, you'll submit CAPTCHA, then you'll just check out like normal. And that's pretty much it. If you want to do this with multiple users, you click this little icon in the top right. You hit manage people, click add a person, type in anything, and then hit add. And then you would basically set it up the same way that we just did it here. So you just repeat the process for multiple Chrome users. And that's pretty much it.